children, how are you? I hope you all safe. I am your Hindi ma'am, Revadji is speaking. In this video, we are going to see about our Vyakaran part grammar. What are the topic we are going to see? You see on the screen, the first one, Muhavare. Then second one, Vakyamsa Hetu, Ek Shabd. Third one, Paryayvachi Shabd. The fourth one, Vipareetarthak Shabd. What does that mean in Muhavare? Idioms. Vakyamsa Hetu Eka Shabd. That is, one sentence make a one word. Many words make a one word. Paryayvachi Shabd, that means in English synonyms. And Vipareetarthak Shabd, you know very well that Vilom Shabd or Ulta Shabd. Now let's see Muhavare. First we have to see about Muhavare. What is that meaning Muhavare? Muhavare kise kahte hai? Iski kya viseshta hai? That means what is Muhavare? What is the special in this Muhavare? You see, वह वाक्यांश जिसका कोई विशेष अर्थ होता है और जो वाक्य में क्रिया के स्थान पर प्रयोग में आता है उसे मुहावरा कहलाते हैं. दैट मीन्स वह वाक्यांश जिसका कोई विशेष अर्थ होता है. दैट मीन्स द प्रेज विच हैज ए स्पेशल मीनिंग and which is used in a kriya ke sthan, used in a place of verb in the sentence is called what? मुहावरे कहलाते हैं. That means again I tell you, वह वाक्यांश जिसका कोई विशेष अर्थ होता है और जो वाक्य में क्रिया के स्थान पर प्रयोग में आता है उसे मुहावरा कहलाता है. That means the phrase which has a special meaning and which is used in a place of verb, that is in the sentence is called what? Muhavare. Now we have seen in some Muhavare from your book. These all are from your book and in a second term for that. The first one, Gamand se ain't na. Abhiman se akadna. What is that meaning? Gamand. You know Gamand proudly. Yeah, that Gamand se ain't na proudly. Abhiman se akadna be the same. To feel proud. You see some sentence. Shyam ka vyapar chal nikala to vah Gamand se ain't na laga. That means when Shyam business went on, he felt very proudly. The second one. Tabe pav bhagna, that means running feet, run fast. Chup chap chale jana, go quietly. In sentence, पुलिस के आते ही चोर लोगों की भीड़ में से तबे पाव भाग गया. What is that meaning? How do we use in that word phrase? पुलिस के आते ही चोर लोगों की भीड़ में से तबे पाव भाग गए. That means as soon as police arrived, the theft ran away from the crowded place. And again I tell the same meaning. पुलिस के आते ही चोर लोगों की भीड़ में से दबे पाव भाग गए. That means as soon as the police arrived, the thief ran away from the crowded place. Now you see the next one. Kamar tod mahangai, bahu zyada mahangai. That means spiraling inflation. That is high inflation. What is that meaning? कमर तोड़ महंगाई के कारण आजकल लोग मनचाहा जीवन व्यतीत नहीं कर पाते. That means due to the high inflation nowadays, people are unable to live the life they want. कमर तोड़ महंगाई, बहुत ज़्यादा महंगाई, high inflation. That is कमर तोड़ महंगाई के कारण आजकल लोग मनचाहा जीवन व्यतीत नहीं कर पाते. In English meaning, due to the high inflation, people nowadays unable to live the life they want. And fourth one, illi se titli banana, chote se swarupana. That means warm to butterfly, get a small look. नन्हे मुन्हे बच्चे इतनी जल्दी बड़े हो जाते हैं मानो इल्ली से तितली में बदल गए हैं. द नन्हे मुन्हे छठे बच्चे का Little children grow up so quickly as if they have changed from warm to butterfly. And the next one you see, fifth one. Nayi garima se sanchit karna. What is that meaning? To live with a new dignity. Nayi aba dena. Giving new लसर. That means सुशील ने तस्वीर में नए रंग भर के मानो उसे नई गरिमा से संचित कर दिए. What is that meaning? Sushil filled the picture with a new color as if he had created it with a new dignity. And the sixth one, aankhon mein ek शून्यता रखना, that is keep a blank eye. Whenever we see in a that those one person has see anyone, that is very blank. उदासी, sadness. राधा के मर जाने पर नीलकंठ की आंखें में शून्यता छा गई. That means Neelakant's eyes were filled with nothingness after Radha died. And seventh one, कूच करना आगे बढ़ना. That means march on, getting ahead. वीर कुंवर सिंह की सेनाएं कूच करने हेतु सदैव तैयार रहती है. Veer Kunwar Singh and soldiers was always ready to go ahead. And eighth one, Bagavat Karna, विद्रोह करना, to revolt, to rebel. अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ बगावत करने से ही उन्हें एहसास हुआ कि अब भारतीय स्वतंत्र होना चाहते हैं. That means it was only by rebelling against the British that they realized that Indians now want to become independent. Again I recall this one. Fifth one, नई गरिमा से संचित करना, नई आबा देना, to live with a new dignity. And नई आबा देना, giving new lesser. सुशील ने तस्वीर में नए रंग भर के मानो उसे नई गरिमा से संचित कर दिया. That means Sushil filled with the picture with a new color as if he had created it with new dignity. आंखों में एक शून्यता रखना, keep a blank eye, उदासी, that is in a sadness. राधा के मर जाने पर नीलकंठ की आंखों में शून्यता छा गई. Neelakant's eyes were filled with nothingness, that is very blank. Why? After Radha died. Seventh one, कूच करना आगे बढ़ना, march on, that is getting ahead. वीर कुंवर सिंह की सेनाएं कूच करने हेतु सदैव तैयार रहती थी. That means Veer Kunwar Singh is a king. He was Kunwar Singh and soldiers was always ready to go ahead. And eighth one, बगावत करना, विद्रोह करना. That means to revolt, to rebel. अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ बगावतें करने से ही उन्हें एहसास हुआ कि अब भारतीय स्वतंत्र होना चाहते हैं. It was the only by rebelling against the British that they realized that Indians now want to become independent. And you see the next one, ninth one, Loha Lena, Badla Lena. That means take iron or you take revenge. वीर कुंवर सिंह ने ब्रिटिश हुकूमता से लोहा का प्राण किया. वीर कुंवर सिंह died to British rule. This is very simple, no? And the next one, 10th, होश उड़ जाना, चकित हो जाना. That mind blown or to be amazed. That is the meaning of that phrase. वीर कुंवर सिंह की वीरता देखकर अंग्रेजों के होश उड़ गए. That means when British seeing Veer Kunwar Singh's bravery, he was very blown away. That means. And 11th one, mouth के खाट उतारना, मार डालना, put a death. That is given a death, मार डालना, to killed. सन 1857 के विद्रोह में वीर कुंवर सिंह की सेनाओं के अनगिनत सिपाहियों को मौत के खाट उतार दिया. In the rebellion, countless soldiers of Veer Kunwar Singh's forces were killed. And 12th last one, Masahur chehra banana jaan pahchan vyaktitva. That makes a face to fame. You know the meaning already. Masahur, that is fame. Masahur chehra meaning, you know, the face. That is Masahur chehra banana, to make a face, fame. And jana pahchan vyaktitva, known, identify personality. That is the meaning. धनराज ने हॉकी में इतनी सफलता प्राप्त की, जल्दी ही मशहूर चेहरा बन गए हैं. That means, you know, the Dhanraj Pillai, in the last previous lesson we saw already, I taught that in a Dhanraj Pillai, a very famous hockey player, no? Yeah, Dhanraj achieved so much success in hockey, soon he became a famous face. Again I recall this one, 9th one, लोहा लेना बदला लेना. वीर कुंवर सिंह ने ब्रिटिश हुकूमत से लोहा का प्राण किया. That means already I told, no, that take iron to take revenge, where Kunwar Singh died of British rule. And 10th one, होश उड़ जाना, चकित हो जाना, mind blown, to be amazed. वीर कुंवर सिंह की वीरता देखकर अंग्रेजों को होश उड़ गए. When British seeing वीर कुंवर सिंह bravery, they was blown away. मौत के घाट उतारना, मार डालना, to kill, put to death. सन 1857 के विद्रोह में वीर कुंवर सिंह की सेनाओं के अनगिनत सिपाहियों को मौत के घाट उतार दिया. In the rebellion, countless soldiers of Veer Kunwar Singh's forces were killed. And 12th one last, Masahur chehra banana, jaan pahchan vyaktitva, make a face to fame, jaan pahchan vyaktitva, known, identity, personality. That is Dhanraj Pillai. धनराज ने हॉकी में इतनी सफलता प्राप्त की, जल्दी ही मशहूर चेहरा बन गए. That means Dhanraj achieved so much success in hockey. Soon he became a famous place. Now you see the next Roman. वाक्यांश हेतु एक शब्द. What is that meaning? वाक्यांशों हेतु एक शब्द. That is in अनेकार्थ शब्द के लिए एक शब्द. This is it's different. That's all. You see, what is that meaning? जब उन अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक ही शब्द का प्रयोग किया जाता है तो उसे वाक्यांश हेतु एक शब्द कहते हैं. That means when the same word used for multiple words, it is called one word for phrases. Again I tell you, वाक्यांश हेतु एक शब्द, माँ, it is not a different than अनेकार्थ शब्द के लिए एक शब्द, the same heading, that is वाक्यांश हेतु एक शब्द. That means what? जब अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक ही शब्द का प्रयोग किया जाता है तो उसे वाक्यांश हेतु एक शब्द कहते हैं. That means, again I tell in English, when the same word is used for multiple words, it is called one word for phrases. Now some examples also is there. You see, जिसका जन्म ना हुआ हो, that means those are who not born, आ जन्म. Next one, जिसका कोई शत्रु ना हो, that means अजात शत्रु. That means जिसका कोई शत्रु ना हो, who has no enemy, that person are called अजात शत्रु. जिसका जन्म ना हुआ हो, तो those one who not born, आ जन्म, that person is called आ जन्म. And जिसका कोई शत्रु ना हो, those one who has no enemy, that person is called अजात शत्रु. And third one, जो कभी ना मरे, one who never died, that person is called अमर. And fourth one, जो कभी बूढ़ा ना हो, those one who person never old, that is in a अजर, that person is called अजर. And fifth one, जिसका कोई कारण ना हो, there is no reason, that is called अकारण. Again I recall the simply, जिसका जन्म ना हुआ हो वो क्या कहते हैं? आ जन्म. जिसका कोई शत्रु ना हो, अजात शत्रु. जो कभी ना मरे अमर, जो कभी बूढ़ा ना हो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, अजर. एंड फिफ्थ वन, जिसका कोई कारण ना हो वो अकारण. यू सी द नेक्स्ट वन, सिक्स्थ, पीछे चलने वाला. In a trailing, those one who go back to trailing, that person not go back, one who person is trailing, that person is called अनुयायी. अनुयायी का मतलब क्या है, followers. Then kadwa bolne wala, one who speak bitter words, that person is called kadubashi, that is sarcastic. And जानने की इच्छा रखने वाला, one who wish to know everyone, that person is called जिज्ञासु. And next one, वर्ष में एक बार होने वाला, that is it happens once in a year, that is year, वार्षिक. And 10th one, 3 महीने में एक बार होने वाला त्रैमासिक, that means it happens thrice in a month, it is called त्रैमासिक. And 11th one, एक महीने में एक बार होने वाला मासिक, that is it happens once in a month, it is called मासिक. And 12th one, 15 दिन में एक बार होने वाला पाक्षिक, that is 15 days once in a time, that is called fortnightly. And 13th one, जो किसी का पक्ष ना ले, those one who does not favor, that is निष्पक्ष, neutral. निष्पक्ष का अर्थ neutral. And 14th one, हर रोज होने वाला, every day, those one who do some work in a every day, that is daily, दैनिक. And 15th one, पढ़ने योग्य, पठनीय, one who can read, that person is reader, पठनीय. Again I recall the 6 to 15, read very carefully. पीछे चलने वाले, that is trailing, one who go to trailing, that person is called अनुयायी. अनुयायी का मतलब क्या है, क्या, followers. And 7th one, खडवा बोलने वाला कटुभाषी, that is one who speak bitter words, that person is called sarcastic, that persons. जानने की इच्छा रखने वाला, वो क्या कहते हैं, that means one who wish to know everyone, that person is called जिज्ञासु. जिज्ञासु का अर्थ क्या है, curiosity. Some person is not everyone, each and everything about know to well, so that person is called very curiosity, no, that is जिज्ञासु. And 9th one, वर्ष में एक बार होने वाला वार्षिक, it happens once in a year, that is called वार्षिक, once in a year. And 10th one, 3 महीने में एक बार होने वाला त्रैमासिक, that is it happens in thrice in a month, that is called त्रैमासिक. And 11th one, एक महीने में एक बार होने वाला, that is it happens once in a month, that is मासिक. 12th one, 15 दिन में एक बार होने वाला, that is 15 days once in a time, that is called fortnightly. जो किसी का पक्ष ना ले, those who does not favor anyone, that person is called निष्पक्ष, that is neutral person. And 14th one, हर रोज होने वाला, every day, that means in a daily. And last 15th one, पढ़ने योग्य पठनीय, that means one who can read, that person is called reader, that means पठनीय. And you see the next screen, 16th one, जो चल कपट करता हो वो क्या कहते हैं, कपटी कहते हैं. That means those one who cheat, that person is called cheaters. Your friends sometimes cheating to you, know, that person is called what, cheaters. Yeah, you are cheating, no, that you are, that word you are you using many times, yeah, kapati. जो छल कपट करता हो वो क्या कहते हैं, कपटी, that is one who cheat, that person is called cheaters. And the 17th one, शरण में आने वाला, that is asylum seeker, that is शरणागत, refuse. And 18th one, जिसका कोई आधार ना हो, that is निराधार. One who those has no base, no basically நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, எந்த ஆதாரமும் இல்லாமல், like that. वो क्या कहते हैं, निराधार, dishonor. That person is called dishonor. और 18th one, जिसका कोई आधार ना हो, already I told this one. And 19th one, you see, जो सच बोलता हो वो सत्यवादी. Those one who speak in truth always, that person is called satyavadi. You know the Harichandra story, that is always speak. He faced so many problems in his life, but he always speak truth only. So that person name was kya, satyavadi. Satyavadi Harichandra name, that is. So those one who speak always truth, that person is called satyavadi. And 20th one, जो खूब परिश्रम करता हो, वो क्या कहते हैं, परिश्रम. One who person do many hard work, put effort to hard work, that person is called parishrami, hard worker or karmat. And 21 स्वयं सेवा करने वाला, that means volunteer, do that work in a volunteer, that person is called swayam sevak. प्रिय बोलने वाला, that means one who speak in a very kind and very lovably, that person is called priyabasi. And you see the next 23, जो सब कुछ जानता हो वो सर्वज्ञ. Those one who known to everyone, that person already I told no, jignasu, that is everyone known to that person is called sarvagnya. Then 24th, लोगों में प्रिय, लोकप्रिय, that is those one who love to people, that person is called लोकप्रिय. और अच्छे चरित्र वाला, those one who person good character, that person is called सच्चरित्र. Again I recall the same 16 to 25, you see very carefully. जो चल कपट करता हो वो क्या कहते हैं, कपटी. That means those one who cheater, that person is called cheater. शरण में आने वाला शरणागत, that means asylum seeker, that is शरणागत, refuge. जिसका कोई आधार ना हो, one who those has no base, that person is called dishonor, niradhar. जो सच बोलता हो, those one who speak or truth always, that person is called satyavadi. जो खूब परिश्रम करता हो, those one who do hard worker, that person is called parishrami or karmat. And स्वयं सेवा करने वाला, volunteer, that is swayam sevak, that person is called swayam sevak. And priya bolne wala, those one who speak very kindly and very lovably, that person is called priya bhashi. And jo sab kuch janta ho wo sarvagnya, those one who know to everyone, that person is called sarvagnya. Next, लोगों के प्रिय, those one who love to people always, that people is called लोकप्रिय. अच्छे चरित्र वाला, that is one who has a good character, that person is called what, सच्चरित्र. And next Roman, we have to see the विपरीतार्थक शब्द. The next Roman, the third Roman is विपरीतार्थक शब्द. That is already you know that उल्टे शब्द विलोम शब्द, that is an opposite word. विपरीतार्थक शब्द किसे कहते हैं, उदाहरण दीजिए. विलोम अर्थातु विपरीत, जिस शब्द का उल्टा अर्थ लिखा जाए वक्त हम क्या कहते हैं, विलोम शब्द. That means as a word given a opposite, that is vilom, or viparit, in a against opposite word, that is given in a, like what is that, vilom shabd, opposite. Some examples, not is the examples, these all are from a book. See the first one, शब्द उसका विलोम क्या क्या है. You see that घृणा, प्रेम, you know that घृणा hate, prem, love, naitik, anaitik, moral, immoral, pakshya, apakshya, renewable, apakshya, unrenewable, bogi, yogi, enjoyer, not enjoy, that is meaning yogi, manav, danav, human, demon. And the next one you see sixth, yathart, kalpit, that is yathartham in casually, and kalpit, visitation, laukik, alaukik, cosmic and supernatural. And the eighth one, sajjan, durjan, gentleman, the evil or demon, the same. Sakar, nirakar, realizing, in nirakar, not realizing person, that antarang, bagirang. In a Tamil you know very well antarangam, that is in the same meaning. Antarang, indoor, bahirang, outdoor. Avanti, unnati, decadness and advancement. Aroh, avaroh, believer, unbeliever. Astik, nastik. Sorry, astik or nastik meaning is that believer or not believer, that means. And anivarya, vaikalpik. Anivarya, mandatory, and vaikalpik, optional. Upakar, apakar, that favorable, unfavorable. Upayogi, anupyogi, useful, unuseful. Kator, mrud, bitter, sweet. Kirti, apakirti, the fame, unfame. Kutrim, akrutrim, that artificial, natural. Nirman, nas, make, destroy. Again I recall the same 19th one. You see that. Sorry, 6th onwards you see, again I recall you. Yatharth, kalpit, laukik, alaukik, sajjan, durjan, sakar, nirakar, antarang, bahirang, avanti, unnati, aroh, avaroh, astik, nastik, anivarya, vaikalpik, upakar, apakar, upayogi, anupyogi, kator, madhu, kirti, apakirti. And the next one you see, 19th one, kutrim, akrutrim, that is in a natural, artificial. Nirman, nas, make, destroy. Pratyaksha, apratyaksha, response, irresponse. Buddhiman, Murga, that is in intelligent and foolish. Bhagya, abhagya, luck, unluck. Mahan, tucha, that Mahan, a great person. Insignificant, that is tucha. Manaviya, amanaviya, honorable, in opposite word amanaviya. Yashashvi, fame. Kalankit, unfame. Vikalpa, option. Sankalpa, resolution. Sankirna, narrow. Vistirna, spread. Sameep, dur. Near, far. Garal, amrut. That is the same. Garal in a bitter, amrut in a sweet. Again I recall this one. Kutrim, akrutrim. Nirman, nash. Pratyaksha, apratyaksha. Buddhiman, murk. Bhagya, abhagya. Mahan, tucha. Manaviya, amanaviya. Yashashvi, kalankit. Vikalpa, sankalpa. Sankirna, vistirna. Sameep, dur. Garal, amrut. And next Roman you see the fourth Roman. Paryayvachi Shabd, that means in a synonyms. Are you hear this word Paryayvachi Shabd in a Samanarth word, that is पर्यायवाची शब्द किसे कहते हैं, उदाहरण दीजिए. What is the definition of पर्यायवाची शब्द? Give an example. एक अर्थ को प्रकट करने वाले अनेक शब्दों को पर्यायवाची शब्द कहते हैं. That means many words that reveal a meaning or synonyms. That is what पर्यायवाची शब्द. ये शब्द ऐसे शब्द होते हैं जो अर्थ तो एक ही रखते हैं, लेकिन प्रयोग करने पर अलग अलग रूप में प्रयुक्त होकर भाषा की सुंदरता बढ़ाते हैं. That means these words are words which keep this meaning, but when used differently they increase the beauty of the language. Now you understood this one. What is the पर्यायवाची शब्द? समानार्थ. एक अर्थ को प्रकट करने वाले अनेक शब्दों को पर्यायवाची शब्द कहते हैं. Many words that reveal a meaning or synonyms. And एक शब्द ऐसे शब्द होते हैं जो अर्थ तो एक ही रखते हैं, लेकिन प्रयोग करने पर अलग अलग रूप में प्रयुक्त होकर भाषा की सुंदरता बढ़ाते हैं. That means these words are words which keep this meaning, but when used differently they increase the beauty of the language. जैसे वो जैसे है तो आप देखिए आंख. आंख शब्द के अनेक पर्यायवाची शब्द है. आंख का मतलब क्या? आईज, आवर आईज. देन उसका क्या कितने अर्थ आप देखिए स्क्रीन पर. नेत्र, नयन, लोचन, चक्षु, दृग. वो ये सब आंख का दूसरा समानार्थ शब्द है. आप आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज दैट पर्यायवाची शब्द. इट मेक्स अ ब्यूटीफुल ऑफ लैंग्वेज. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ यू सी द नेक्स्ट. I give some 10 or 15, 30 पर्यायवाची शब्द. You see the first one. हिरन. हिरन का मतलब you know deer. मृग, कुरंग, सारंग. एक ही शब्द है हिरन. उसके कितने पर्यायवाची शब्द देखिए? मृग, कुरंग, सारंग. And next one. सिंह. सिंह का अर्थ you know that what? Lion. मृगराज, शेर, हरि, पंचमुख. And third one. मृत्यु. मृत्यु डेथ. अंत, निधन, देहांत, मौत. ये सब किसका पर्यायवाची है? मृत्यु का समानार्थ रूप है. और मछली, फिश, मीन, मत्स्य, सफरी. एंड फिफ्थ वन मधु, स्वीट. उसका क्या कितने पर्यायवाची शब्द है? वसंत, माधव, कृतराज. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन बाउंस. In bees, in Tamil, vandu, you know that. Bavara, Madhub, Ali, Brahmar. And seventh one, Buddhadi, Mati, Meda, Vivek, Manisha. And eighth one, Bagh, Vatika, Upavan, Udyan. Ninth one, Ped. Ped, you know already that word, very easy, no? Tree, Vriksha. Vitap, Taru, Vriksha, Bhujat. And 10th one, Prithvi. Prithvi, Dara, earth. Bhu, Dharti, Dara, Mahi, Achla. And next one you see, Patta. That is in a letter. Patra, Parna, Dal. Sorry ma. Yes, correct. Dal, Path. ये सब पत्ता का क्या है? समानार्थ शब्द है. पक्षी, bird. Kag, Panki, Andaj. And 13th one, Pushpa, flower. Fool, Kushum, Suman. The next one, Putra, son. Atmaj, Tanai, Beta, Amsaj. Next, Patni, wife. Bharya. You know the Sanskrit word Bharyal? Yeah, that is Bharya. Vadu, गृहिणी. गृहिणी क्यों रखा है? ग्रह के कार्य करते हैं, ये ग्रह का सुरक्षा करते हैं, इसलिए गृहिणीय है. पवन, एयर. वायु, अनिल, समीर, मारुत, हवा. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, नदी. नदी का अर्थ सरिता, सरी, तरंगिनी, सलिता. एंड नेक्स्ट, तीर, एरो. बाण, शर, इशु, नाराज. And 19th one, Chandrama, moon. Sasi, Indu, Rajneesh, Vidhu, Rakesh. And 20th one, Ganga. That means what? River, you know the name of the river. Bhagirathi, Devasari, Surasar. Again I recall the same one. Patta, that means Patra, Parna, Dal, Path. Pakshi, bird. Kag, Panki, Andaj. And next one, Pushpa, flower. Fool, Kushum, Suman. Putra, son. Atmaj, Tanai, Beta, Amsaj. And 15th one, Patni, wife. Bharya, Vadhu, Grihini. And next, Pavan. Pavan ka arth air. Vayu, Anil, Samir, Marut, Hava. And next, Nadi, river. Sarita, Sari, Tarangini, Salita. And the next one, 18th, Tir, arrow. Ban, Shar, Ishu, Naraj. And 19th one, Chandrama. Sasi, Indu, Rajneesh, Vidhu, Rakesh. The 20th one, Ganga. Bhagirathi, Devashari, Surasar. And next one, 21, Gai. You know cow that. Gau, Denu, Surabhi, Gavu. Next 22, Komal, soft. Mulayam, Sukumar, Naram, Najuk. Kamal, lotus. Abuj, Neeraj, Pankaj, Rajiv. And 24th, Icha, to like. Chah, Kamna, Manorath. And 25th one, Am, mango, you know very well. Amra, Rasal, Amrut Fal. 26th one, Abhushan, jewel. Vibhushan, Gahana, Alankar. And the next one, Ag, fire. Agni, Dahan, Jwala. 28th one, Akas, sky. Gagan, Nab, Vyom, Asman. The 29th, Antakar, darkness. Andera, Tam, Andiyara. And the last one, Nadi, river. Sarita, Tarangini, Salila. Again I read this one. Gai, Gau, Deno, Surabhi, Gavu. Komal, softness. Mulayam, Sukumar, Naram, Najuk. Kamal, lotus. Abuj, Neeraj, Pankaj, Rajiv. Icha, like. Chah, Kamna, Manorath. Next, Am, mango. Amra, Rasal, Amrut Fal. Next, Abhushan, jewel. Vibhushan, Gahana, Alankar. And the next one, Ag, fire. Agni, Dahan, Jwala. 28th one, Akas, sky. Gahan, Nab, Vyom, Asman. Then 29th, Antakar, darkness. Andera, Tam, Andiyara. The last one, Nadi. Nadi ka arth, saman arth, Sarita, Tarangini, Salila. Dear children, these all are saman arth, Paryayavachi Shabd. So I hope you understood this all part. What are the topic today? We saw that the first one, Muhavare. And the next one, what? Vakyamsa Hetu, Eka Shabd, and Vilom Shabd, and Paryayavachi Shabd. What is that meaning and what are they? These all are take from our book only, from our book part. So you listen very carefully this video. These all are given classroom app for in a PDF form, like in our classwork. Understand? Thank you children. Dhanyavad.